Welcome to WP Franklin North. It's an Army Corps of Engineers campground in Alva, Florida, which is not too far from Fort Myers. I'm gonna walk the whole campground just for fun. There's the entry gate. That's the dump station. This is our park attendant. That is also site number 1. You won't be reserving that site. Well, good morning. How you doing? Okay, so here's site number 2. Pretty nice site. All these sites will accommodate at least a 36-footer. I was over on site number 3, which is right here. And then there is parking. You can park right by your camper. Here's site number 4. Here you can see an example of one of the longer sites. Site number 5. Got a big old fifth wheel. Here's site number 6. That's the Caloosahatchee River. Okay. Here's campsite number 7. These are all back ends. We're going to encounter a couple pull-throughs, and I'll point them out as we get there. There's the shower house. It's open, but it's going to need some repairs because of Ian. This is the handicap site. It's a nice site here, number 8. Wow, very nice. Couple ducks out there in the Caloosahatchee. Coming up on site number 9. It's another pretty long one. It's about 11 o'clock here, so it's midday. Pretty close to checkout. There's site number 10. That's a great big one. And here's 11, which is empty, and it's a pull through. Guess I'll help myself here. Nice little view, and it's a long one too. Fit a lot longer than a 36-footer. That's the lock and dam, so you can travel from the Gulf of Mexico to the Atlantic Ocean. It's a pretty long trip, but you can do it. Here's some more overflow parking for campers only. This is site number 12, and has a nice little station. Here's site number 13. That's where I'm at. Got our truck parked there, and our camper parked here. It's a nice riverfront property. That's my picnic table, and somebody left me some firewood. Moving along, we had a neighbor at 14, and this is his whole site here. This one is not unlimited because there's a tree kind of in the way. That's site 14. And here's site 15. They have a tent, evidently. That is 15. That's the fishing pier over there. Hello again. Had site 18. And then over here, the truck is under it. That's a big pull through. That's 19. And then this is 20. So 19 and 20 are like friendly sites. That's 21. That's another pull through. So here's 17. And this next one is 18. And that's probably a 40-foot motorhome with the car in front of it. You can see it's a large site. Here's another big one. I'll get its number. What's the sign say? Oh, park attendant. You won't be camping in that one either. Okay. So over here we have another comfort station, bathroom, shower. This is the fishing pier, open sunrise to sunset. And this is the W.P. Franklin Lock and Dam on the Okeechobee Waterway. We're not gonna walk out there just yet. I'll probably take a video of it after I finish the campground tour. Now this is a boat ramp, so you can see people launch their boats. There's limited parking, and you can go fishing. It's kind of neat up here. So you can definitely see the boats exiting and entering the lock from this side. Okay. You get to walk through site 22. This is a great big pull through. Site 22. You could fit a semi truck in here. Like I say, checkout time is 11, so people are getting situated. Here's site 23. And what's next? Oh, site 24. It's another monster site. They're all pretty good sites here. There is not a bad one that I've seen. One thing that happened in Ian, here's site 25. These are all nice waterfront sites. There's the dam again. Here's site 26. And then there's actually places to stay with your boat at this campground. However, Ian made them unsafe and they haven't fixed them yet. So here's a picnic area with the grill. Get to stay off the docks. This is where I'm moving to tomorrow. See, like that's B2, B3. Hello. Site 27 has a nice view. A lot of lily pads. That's where I'll be tomorrow about this time. There's another long one, site 28. All these are pretty big. I definitely won't need any additional parking. Site 29. And last but not least, site 30. So there's 30 sites here. They're always in high demand. You have to go on the National Park website to reserve them. I've stayed here a number of times. It's not hard to get here. Sometimes you have to choose more than one site. There's somebody launching their boat. Time to go fishing. You got manatees and life jackets, and they even have a life jacket loaner station. How cool is that? Okay, that will conclude our tour. That's the parking.